Hi, in this video we're looking at undermount sinks. Happens to be a kitchen sink, and there's a big gap in the one before, and then after the supports that are put in, it holds it up flush to the sink. The original brackets that are usually mounted on the sinks are very small little clips, and these support brackets, there's two different lengths. There's four, one on the left and one on the right. The four are used for a regular single sink, and then a double sink, the center bracket is the little one. You need to have at least 1 inch from left to right, or 8 inches also from top to bottom, in order to mount these brackets correctly. Once these brackets have been installed, you have a peace of mind. These are very strong. They seem like they're going to be one less problem to worry about in the future on this repair job that we had to do, and hopefully this will help you in your solution. This bracket itself is pretty strong. The adjustment screws in the bottom, so when you go ahead and mount it, you make sure that that screws all the way to the left, all the way out, and as you adjust it with the Allen key, you adjust it up to the right, and that'll push it all the way up to the top. There's included hardware. I opted to have a little bit better hardware that I already had in the shop, and we use that instead. It starts in the bottom, you'll see in the slot, and that's the original mounting point. Have it up there pretty snug, mark your holes, and then adjust it up. We didn't have to go all the way up, even though it looks like it's a short travel. It does the job very well. Here's the included instructions. That's the extra bracket, like I said, I had, because there's a single sink, not a double. The double needs a 5th bracket, which is the one that I'm showing as an example. The problem we had was we had a gap that was just starting to occur. The brackets have been bent. Maybe somebody had a turkey or something heavy in the sink, a lot of water, they pushed down on it, the seal broke on it, and the brackets were starting to bend. We caught the problem before the sink had fallen. This is a picture of the two brackets prior, the original mounting, and then we installed the support brackets on this side and tighten them up, and this is the other side. We used a silicone, 100% silicone, to go ahead and seal that portion between the counter and the lip of the sink. Hopefully this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button and subscribe.